The Turkish drone magnate Baykar plans to make a supersonic variant of its unmanned fighter jet, the bayraktar KIZILELMA. The Chief Technology Officer, CTO, of the company said. Selçuk Bayraktar was speaking on the features of KIZILELMA, Turkey's first indigenously developed and produced unmanned fighter aircraft, during a broadcast. KIZILELMA will be able to fight against warplanes, Bayraktar said. Besides, its cruising time is several times longer compared to Baykar's latest drone, the Akinci Unmanned Combat Aerial Vehicle, UCAV, he said. We even plan to make a supersonic variant, noted Bayraktar. The National Unmanned Combat Aerial Vehicle System, MIUS, named KIZILELMA Red Apple, with low detectability and hypersonic speed, is an extremely critical and strategic project by Baykar, whose battle-proven combat drones have already attracted great attention worldwide. The uncrewed fighter jet is projected to conduct a multitude of military actions, such as strategic offensives, close air support, CAS, missile offensives, suppression of enemy air defenses, SEAD, and destruction of enemy air defenses, DED. It is projected to be capable of flying for 5 hours and reaching speeds of up to 800 kilometers per hour, 500 miles per hour, or Mach 0.64. New Baykar story. Bayraktar further said that following KIZILELMA, they are to start their space-related initiative and that they have goals to achieve for the next 5 to 10 years. We aim to develop a communication and global positioning system with low-orbit constellations, as well as to develop orbital transfer vehicles, he said. Bayraktar said that they started the space initiative about 6 months ago and that a new Baykar story will emerge from there. Baykar Turkey Company has started trials of the Bayraktar KIZILELMA drone, which is described as the country's first built unmanned combat aircraft. The video released shows testing at the Akinci Flight Training and Testing Center in the northwestern province of Tekirdağ, covering the taxi's operations before its first flight. The video gives the best look at this unique unmanned aerial vehicle. As well as being intended for a variety of combat roles, drones may also be developed to operate from carriers. KIZILELMA, which means Red Apple, is developed by Baykar, who is in charge of Bayraktar TB2. Drones have shown success on several battlefields from Azerbaijan to Ukraine. Bayraktar also produces the larger Akinci. Meanwhile, KIZILELMA has a very different proposition. This aircraft is claimed as a supersonic drone. In addition, it has a low observable characteristic level and will be able to perform air combat missions normally carried out by manned fighter jets. Powered by a single Ukrainian-designed Ivchenko Progress turbofan engine, the KIZILELMA has a canard delta configuration, a trait seen in several stealth fighter designs, including the Chinese J-20 manned fighter. The use of canards will accommodate low observable capabilities and maneuverability, while the tail consists of tilted vertical stabilizers. According to technical requirements, KIZILELMA has an endurance of 5 to 6 hours, a combat radius of about 800 kilometers, and an altitude of up to more than 10,000 meters. Maximum takeoff weight is 6,000 kg, including 1,500 kg payload. The payload will be carried in the internal weapons bay, which will retain its stealth characteristics. Weapons will likely include air-to-ground precision munitions and air-to-air missiles developed by the Turkish industry. While the first KIZILELMA prototype and other early versions were planned to be powered by a non-afterburning Ivchenko Progress I-25 TLT turbofan, future versions will be replaced with afterburning Ivchenko Progress I-322F engines. This new engine will ensure supersonic performance. Even with a non-afterburning engine, the KIZILELMA offers impressive performance for the drone as it can reach a maximum speed close to Mach 1. Ultimately, there are plans for a twin-engine version with a pair of I-322s. In its initial form, the engine exhaust is decidedly undisguised, although its low observable characteristics could be improved by fine-tuning this area. Something Russia has also done with its Okhotnik drone. But even though this aircraft has the feature to reduce the radar cross-section from certain angles, it is clear that high performance is more considered than stealth capabilities. Unlike the TB2 and Akinci, the KIZILELMA, which can fly fast and high, is planned to have air-to-air combat, intelligence operations, and attack capabilities. But few details are available about the avionics and overall mission architecture. Reportedly, the drone will be equipped with some